You can speak.
Chapter 20 Conditional Sentences and Wishes. Exercise 1 Preview conditional sentences. Directions. Answer the questions with yes or no. 1. If the weather had been good yesterday, our picnic would not have been cancelled. A. Was the picnic cancelled? Yes. B. Was the weather good? No. 2. If I had an envelope and a stamp, I would mail this letter right now. A. Do I have an envelope and a stamp right now? No. B. Do I want to mail this letter right now? Yes. C. Am I going to mail this letter right now? No. 3. Anne would have made it to class on time this morning if the bus hadn't been late. A. Did Anne try to make it to class on time? Yes. B. Did Anne make it to class on time? No. C. Was the bus late? Yes. 4. If the hotel had been built to withstand an earthquake, it would not have collapsed. A. Was the hotel built to withstand an earthquake? No. B. Did the hotel collapse? Yes. 5. If I were a carpenter, I would build my own house. A. Do I want to build my own house? Yes. B. Am I going to build my own house? No. C. Am I carpenter? No. 6. If I didn't have any friends, I would be lonely. A. Am I lonely? No. B. Do I have friends? Yes. 7. If Bob had asked me to keep the news a secret, I wouldn't have told anybody. A. Did I tell anybody this news? Yes. B. Did Bob ask me to keep it secret? No. 8. If Anne and Jen, who are twins, dressed alike and had the same hairstyle, I wouldn't be able to tell them apart. A. Do Anne and Jen dress alike? No. B. Do they have the same hairstyle? No. C. Can I tell them apart? Yes.
Kedua-duanya kayak ini, cuma tidak minum nih.
Mister sudah.
You can move to the next one.
So finish this one.
Yes.
Have you finished this?
Yes.
You can move to here. Exercise to basic. Okay.
Exercise 2 Basic verb forms in conditional sentences. Directions. Complete the sentences with the verbs in parentheses. 1. Situation. I usually write my parents a letter every week. That is a true fact. In other words, if I have enough time, I write my parents a letter every week. 2. Situation. I may have enough time to write my parents a letter tonight. I want to write them a letter tonight. But both of those things are true. In other words, if I have enough time, I will write my parents a letter tonight. 3. Situation. I don't have enough time right now, so I won't write my parents a letter. I'll try to do it later. I want to write them, but the truth is that I just don't have enough time right now. In other words, if I had enough time right now, I would write my parents a letter. 4. Situation. I won't have enough time tonight, so I won't write my parents a letter. I'll try to do it tomorrow. I want to write them, but the truth is that I just won't have enough time. In other words, if I have enough time later tonight, I will write my parents a letter. 5. Situation. I wanted to write my parents a letter last night, but I didn't have enough time. In other words, if I have enough time, I would write my parents a letter last night.
Awake or woken? Ikuti saya, kemudian
Exercise 4. Present or future conditional sentences. Directions. Complete the sentences with the verbs in parentheses. 1. If I have enough apples, I will bake an apple pie this afternoon. 2. If I had enough apples, I would have baked an apple pie this afternoon. 3. I will fix your bicycle if I will have a screwdriver of the proper size. 4. I would fix your bicycle if I would have a screwdriver of the proper size. 5. Sally always answers the phone if she is in her office. 6. Sally would answer the phone if she were in her office right now. 7. I would not be a student in this class if English were my native language. 8. Most people know that oil floats on water. If you pour oil on water, it will float. 9. If there were no oxygen on Earth, life as we know it wouldn't exist. 10. My evening newspaper has been late every day this week. If the paper will not arrive at 6 on time today, I'm going to cancel my subscription. 11. If I were a bird, I wouldn't want to live my whole life in a cage. 12. How old would human beings' life to be if all diseases in the world were completely eradicated? 13. If you boil water, it will disappear into the atmosphere as vapor. 14. If people had paws instead of hands with fingers and opposable thumbs, the machines we use in everyday life would have to be constructed very differently. We would not be able to turn knobs, push small buttons, or hold tools and utensils securely.
Drunk. Drive, drove, driven.
Exercise 7. Conditional sentences. Directions. Complete the sentences with the verbs in parentheses. 1. If I have enough money, I will go with you. 2. If I had enough money, I would go with you. 3. If I had enough money, I would have gone with you. 4. If the weather is nice tomorrow, we will go to the zoo. 5. If the weather were nice today, we would go to the zoo. 6. If the weather had been nice yesterday, we would have gone to the zoo. 7. If Sally is at home tomorrow, I am going to visit her. 8. Jim isn't home right now. If he were at home right now, I would visit him. 9. Linda wasn't at home yesterday. If she had been at home yesterday, I would have visited her. 10. Your father is taking a nap. 4. You woke him up. G. I'm sorry, Mom. If I had realized he was sleeping, I would not have made so much noise when I came in. But how was I supposed to know? 11. Last night, Alex ruined his sweater when he washed it. If he had read the label, he would not have washed it in hot water. 12. A. Ever since I broke my foot, I haven't been able to get down to the basement to wash my clothes. B. Why didn't you say something? I would have came over and washed them for you if you had told me. A. I know you would have come right away if I had called you. I guess I didn't want to bother you. B. Nonsense. What are good neighbors for?
Hidden. Itu aja diulangi. Nah, itu dulu yang harus dikunci. Cara
Lesson
pengucapannya
Exercise
harus benar,
11.
bagaimana kalau
Review
belajar syarat,
conditional
lain baca,
sentences.
lain
Directions.
mendengar, lain nanti, kan?
Complete the sentences with the verbs in parentheses. 1. You should tell your father exactly what happened. If I were you, I would tell him the truth as soon as possible. 2. If I had my camera with me yesterday, I would have taken a picture of Alex standing on his head. 3. I'm almost ready to plant my garden. I have a lot of seeds. Maybe I have more than I need. If I have more seeds that I need, I will give some to my neighbor. 4. George has only 2 pairs of socks. If he has more than 2 pairs of socks, he will not have to wash his socks so often. 5. The cowboy pulled his gun to shoot at the rattlesnake, but he was too late. If he had quicker to pull the trigger, the snake wouldn't have bitten him on the foot. It is a good thing he was wearing heavy leather boots. 6. What would be used to look at ourselves when we comb our hair if we didn't have mirrors? 7. It's been a long drought. It hasn't rained for over a month. If it don't rain soon, a lot of crops will die. If the crops die, many people will go hungry this coming winter. 8. According to one scientific theory, an asteroid collided with the Earth millions of years ago, causing great changes in the Earth's climate. Some scientists believe that if this asteroid had not collided with the Earth, the dinosaurs would have not become extinct. Can you imagine what the world will be like today if dinosaurs still existed? Do you think it will be possible for dinosaurs and human beings to coexist on the same planet?
Okay, finish? Okay.
You can break. Thank you. Alright.